So regarding those questions on the dispo side, I was asking what's the best and the fastest option. I know we can list on MLS, Zillow, just the usual listings, or we deal with a realtor or have our list of cash buyers, like end buyers of investors to get the job done. Or do it all together and have all the options on each and every deal to make sure we are having all the options for every deal and moving faster.
Yeah. What's the price of the stuff you're dispoing right now? Like estimated sale value.
100 to 150, let's say this.
Okay. Then I would use a realtor. Um, and I can give you a list of the top realtors in your area. Nathaniel, you have the login to Land Insights.
Yeah, I've actually called a couple. I went
Okay.
through a handful. I also did something where on my deal machine, I scrubbed. It's funny, you call yours deal machine. Mine is the website deal machine.
Yeah.
But I scrubbed all the cash buyers in the area. And then I sent out a text blast of like 800 people. And I got an offer, verbal,
Nice.
within an hour that would give us 20 grand profit kind of thing. So I'd be interested to explore that a little more. I haven't heard that.
Um, so building a buyer's list over time is clutch. I would probably keep all those buyers in that area that you text blast. So I'd probably keep them all in a database where you can blast them in the future and keep building your buyers database. And anytime you find a little list of people who buy, put them in that database and then just send out that consistent blast. That's option one for sure. And then what most people do is they use realtors because it just gets done effectively and they take
Also
care of
taking
a lot of the like,
photos, listing, and hopefully drone photos and whatnot.
yeah, they take care of all the legwork for you.
And the
And
transaction coordinating.
yep, yep, they do all of it. Yeah, exactly. So that gets rid of the whole dispo process for you. So that's what I see 90% of land investors do.
I think 6% is a good price.
6 to 10%. Yeah. You'll pay a little bit higher for land because it's lower, sometimes more legwork and lower prices. So yeah, I think
As
10% is
per
fairly common.
Yeah, as per to what I know, it's 6 to 12% according to the size and price of the land, right?
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Sounds right. Yeah.
Got you.